All right. Today we're going to be adding another new word into our vocabulary notebooks. We're going to need to know this word for a reading that we're going to be doing tomorrow. So what is that word? The word is journey. When I see this word, I can decode it by looking. I can see the J makes the J sound. The O-U-R makes the sound. The N makes the N sound, and the EY makes the E sound. So, ni, or journey. Alright, so let's all write that new word down in our vocabulary notebooks. So now, what does the word journey mean? Journey means to travel from one place to another. So make sure you write that definition down in your notebooks as well. Can anyone give me an example of what a journey might be? Yeah, I like that one. So, what is something about the word journey that stands out to you, or something that makes this word different from others to help you remember it? Yeah, I like that too. For me, some examples of the word journey are going on a trip, or traveling, and if someone were to go on a journey, they would pack up their things and journey to a new place. So, now we're going to check and make sure we understand what our vocabulary word journey means. I'm handing out a sheet of paper with 4 words on it. 2 of the words are synonyms to the word journey and mean almost the same thing. And the other 2 words are antonyms that mean the opposite of our vocabulary words. Circle the synonyms of the word journey. Lastly, there's a few lines for you to try and write a couple of sentences that contain the word journey in it. So now that we're familiar with the word journey, we're going to be reading a story about a very interesting journey tomorrow.